Hi, good morning everyone. Today, in our artificial intelligence machine learning subject, we are going to discuss about the case study on IFTTT in IoT cloud platforms. Let's get into the topic. So, just to look at the image. Here, this image represents one fridge is there and one man is walking out of his room. The fridge says, "Don't forget to buy milk." So it's just surprising to see to see this image because this will be happening in daily life nowadays. Because the technology has lifted the traditional way of by our living style into the modernized one. Because even the machines can able to talk with the human. That kind of a thing is emerging nowadays. So let's see how this is happening. So first, before that, we have to discuss about the cloud services. What is cloud services? An IoT cloud is a massive network that supports IoT devices and applications. This includes the underlying infrastructure, servers, and storage needed for real-time operation and processing. So IoT cloud architecture will have the wireless network is there, and Internet of Things is there, network, and so many gadgets will be there. So top 10 IoT cloud platform that we are using our daily life is Salesforce, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, SAP, then IBM Watson, Oracle, AWS, ThinkSpeak, Cisco, ThinkWork. So these are all the cloud platforms, familiar cloud platforms that we are using in our daily day life. And what is if else? First, before getting into the our case study topic, that is IFTTT, we need to know what is if else. So if means you just look at the example here. Name is equal to Jason. If name Jason, then print hello Jason. Welcome. Else print sorry I don't know you. This means that what the case here is, if he is Jason, the machine should say, "Hello, Jason, welcome." If it is not Jason, then sorry, I don't know you. That kind of a response the machine should give. So for that, we have used here using the if else statement. So if Jason, hello, Jason, welcome. Else, sorry, I don't know you. So this is the practical usage of if else in the programming languages. So how this if else is related to our topic means uh, or one more example we will see. That means if location is Ooty, then automatically our mobile phone wallpaper should select the Ooty related images and set as a wallpaper. So this is also one of the example for if else, right? So how this is happening? So what is IFTTT? IFTTT derives its name from the programming conditional statement if this then that. That means software platform that connects apps, devices and services from different developers in order to trigger one or more automations involving those apps, devices and services. IFTTT you can combine over 700 popular services to automate practically everything in your life. So Lyndon Tibbetts, who is the CEO and co-founder of IEEE.com. So that I already told you, IFTTT is if this then that. That means here if this then that is literally called as a recipe, and this means that trigger. That means actions. That means this is trigger. If you are giving some trigger, then only the action will be happening. So the trigger will be given by the word that this, and the action will be that. So that's why it is called as a trigger action. How IFTTT works. The automations are accomplished via applets, which are sort of like macros that connect multiple apps to run automated tasks. You can turn on or off an applet using IFTTT website or mobile apps and or the mobile apps that is IFTTT widgets. You can also create your own applets or make variations of existing ones via IFTTT's user-friendly and straightforward interface. So how to start with the IFTTT? So download the mobile app for Android here and Apple iOS. Create a free account and you are up and running with the automations in minutes. There are bewildering array of applets available. So IFTTT helpfully provides automation recommendation for new users to try. So this image shows the interface, mobile phone application interface of IFTTT. So here, for an example, if you go for the Google, so you can include Google Calendar and many other services to for the automation through the IFTTT. Here, one example is given. There is a Google Calendar. In Google Calendar, there are so many options are there. Track your work hours in a Google Calendar. Track your work hours in Google Calendar and add a reminder. Quickly create events. Copy new events, sync new events like that. So many things are there. If you enable the IFTTT in the Google Calendar, that will automatically do the process. Like for example, if you enable the Google Calendar that through the IFT that in December 31st, send the message to this guy means if you set like that in the IFTT, then this process, this IFTT will itself in on the date and the correct on the mentioned date that will send the automatic messages to the particular person. So this is the one kind of the example. And other examples are, see you can see based on the environmental conditions, right? The sunset or sunrise, the light, the light which we can use in our home or on our room, that will change the intensity. So this is the one kind of example, because here the sunrise or sunset is the trigger, and because of the sunrise and the sunset, the intensity level of the sun, the light also changes the intensity. So this is the one kind of example for IFTTT. And another example is very familiar example is Google, this Alexa. So if you talk to the Alexa, right, send the, I mean, if you tell the Alexa to send the mail to that guy to particular mail ID, so that will automatically make the process. So this happening, this combining the integrating the Google Alexa with Gmail, which will be possible by IFTTT. Then IFTTT architecture here, there are deploy a SIM app that sits between your API and IFTTT. This app will translate resources from your API into responses of IFTTT can understand. So this is the architecture of IFTTT. End user feedbacks. Here, though it is IFTTT having the many functionalities and features, it has some feedbacks, some user feedbacks is there. There is an improved search functions need to be incorporated in the IFTTT, and few applications that we are using in the IFTTT is broken. It has many bugs, and the pre-bundled applet shoots and better functionality is needed. These are all the feedbacks. Majority of the people, customers who is using the IFTTT is given these kind of feedback. So thank you.